Okay, so this is a video to help you get logged into EdPuzzle. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is just go to edpuzzle.com. Okay, then you're going to click login. It's going to ask you if you're a teacher or student. I'm a teacher, so I'm going to hit teacher, but it's basically the same sign up. Okay, if I hit student, you're just going to go down here to sign in with Microsoft. Okay, and then it will take you to your login. I have two here because I'm in college, but you'll pick your Kent login. So let me show you if I say I'm a teacher. I'm just going to hit, oops, I need to go back to teacher. All right. EdPuzzle, login. I'm a teacher. I'm going to hit login with microscope or microscope. Microsoft. Okay, use your Kent account. And it should log you right in just like that. So you can start. Now it is in Canvas here, so you can just come over here to start, but that will get you logged in so that you're signed into the proper class. If it does ask you for Miss Lee's class code or whatever, it's weird, but I'll show it to you. It's actually, oh my gosh, is this the wrong? There it is, EdPuzzle code. Go Fat Me. So that's for me, Miss Lee. It's pretty appropriate. Go Fat Me.